here we are with our LG dishwasher, and it's the third time it's leaking now in 2.5 years. A year and a half into its life, the lower seal started leaking. I contacted LG and they did nothing, of course. Wouldn't even send somebody. So I managed to pull the seal outwards to block the water from coming out, and that saved it. So we weren't getting any more leaks from there. Then shortly thereafter, one of these hoses started leaking. So I replaced the hose. And now, last night, the bottom hose over here, which is part of the hose that I've replaced, so just right here, there's probably a slit underneath because there was water pissing out of there, and it started leaking again. So I'm done with LG. This is my first and last LG product, and that's about all. Stay tuned because we're gonna smash it to pieces later on. Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm gonna take care of the LG literally garbage dishwasher. Always wear your safety goggles. My frustration's out. Piece of garbage. That's it. We're done.
Encore!